Ayan. Hello mga ka-Church, welcome back sa YouTube channel, Mix TV mga ka-Church. In for today's video, alright, mag-reaction tayo kay Ken Villalba mga ka-Church, together with a song, The One We Once Loved mga ka-Church by Binbin. No, alright. At dito mga ka-Church, kanina nga, pinanood ko muna bago ko gawin na reaction itong si Binbin. Ang ganda na boses ni Binbin mga ka-Church. Ngayon, papakinggan natin yung quality ng boses na at performance ni Ken Villalba mga ka-Church. Watch this.
Saw you singing your song the other day.
Alright. So yun na nga mga ka-Church na sinabi ko nga na napanood ko yung kay Binbin at ang ganda ng boses, performance ni Binbin. Ang bumungbo yung boses ni Binbin na mga ka-Church. And yun na nga, dito naman, ang ganda ng quality ng boses ni Kent mga ka-Church. Nangungusap siya. Ang ganda ng delivery niya mga ka-Church.
It's been a long time since your eyes lit up that way. I felt the guilt build up as
Gusto ko yung kanyang emotion, ang paano niya ginawa. Gusto ko yung kanyang mata, mga ka-Church, na para bang I want this, alright. The eager of the eyes, I want this. I want to prove that I'm here to perform like this, mga ka-Church. Tuloy tayo.
I look back how things went wrong. Did I have to sweep in and scar you? 5 years we shared the bittersweetness of you.
There's mga ka-Church, the way he sing, I feel lonely. Not sad, not bad, but I feel lonely, mga ka-Church. So,
Then we broke up because sometimes it is the best thing to do.
ay, no, ginoo ko. Makabisaya ko lahat, mga ka-Church, kung kanindot sayang paghatag og paghatag og emosyon sa kanta, mga ka-Church, na like it.
Did it ever cross your mind that maybe you hurt me too? But I'm not taking it against you. Since the beginning, I never wanted everything but to see you reach your dreams. I know that you just wanted me, but I have dreams of my own, and I just can't let them go. So I apologize.
He made his own version, mga ka-Church. I love the way ano niya, i-expose yung kanta. Kasi yung napanood kong video, mga ka-Church, na Binbin. Parang ang dating sa akin is medyo may pagka-strong yung boses ni Binbin. And yung delivery ng song niya, mga ka-Church, talagang I apologize. Ito naman sa mga ka-Church, I apologize. Parang soft lang. Alright. Ang ganda ng kanyang ginawa.
For coming into your life just to break your heart.
I was not comparing both the two of them about Binbin, the original, because Binbin is Bin and Bin. And this Kent Villalba is Kent Villalba. They made it on their version, mga ka-Church, and I love. Alright, so yun na akong binasi, but I was not based on at all, mga ka-Church, on their performance. Yeah, I was not comparing at all.
To stay by your side, but who knew the rolling seasons will reveal us sometimes. We aren't meant to be the one. So goodbye to the ones we once loved. I
Yun ah.
realized there wasn't.
I love the performance. He made it. And yung pagpikit ng mata niya na napipil ko talagang, napipil niya yung kanta. So yun sa importante, mga ka-Church, that you want to expose the song. You want to feel it and embrace it na song, mga ka-Church, that he made it right now for today's video. Alright, English tayo, mga ka-Church, ha? And ito na, may eager na mga ka-chicks.
Anyone's faulted off. It's just that I wasn't built to build you up when you fall. Or maybe we were meant to be a lesson to each other. But I wish you well, and I'm sorry.
Consistent lang sa mga ka-chicks pagdating doon. And ang dating sa akin kasi yung kanta, I apologize. And then, yun na nga. Consistent yung performance niya. Tapos ang dami ang ginawa mga ka-chicks. And even, wala siyang masyadong ginawang mga restaurants. But yung the way niya i-expose yung kanta mga ka-chicks, I love it.
I apologize for coming into your life just to break your heart in pieces and to leave you in the dark.
Ayan. Binuhos niya yung mga ka-chicks. Binuhos niya lahat. And then, ayan. Binigay na yung ano mga ka-chicks. Nagkabulol-bulol ako mga ka-chicks. Kibisaya man tayo ba? Binigay na yung part na to mga ka-chicks na parang sarap ng boses pakinggan mga ka-chicks. Parang palsito na ano. Ang galing.
But who knew the rolling seasons would reveal us sometimes? We are meant to be the one. Say goodbye to the one.
Ang galing niya. Alright. Ang galing niya mga ka-chicks. Ganun lang.
I wasn't meant to be the one. Say goodbye to the ones I once loved.
Alright, maganda mga ka-chicks yung kanyang pag-delivery. And the way he exposed the song, expression, ando na yung emotion, and the way, yung pagbigay niya ng boses mga ka-chicks ba? Yung pagbigay niya ng tono sa boses na parang sabay pang umusap yung kanyang mukha. And then, I got the attention mga ka-chicks because of what he did on stage. And, ano lang super, ginawa niya lahat mga ka-chicks, and andun yung emotion na malungkot, you feel not bad, or you feel not sad, but you feel it lonely mga ka-chicks. Alright, so, the one we once loved mga ka-chicks, the title of the song. But, alright mga ka-chicks, so, from the start, the quality of the voice is still there. Tapos, ang ganda pa iba-iba yung ginawa niya. Walang runs masyado mga ka-chicks, but andun yung pagiging consistent niya. And sa last part, may eager na may strong na ka-chicks. Kayo ba, ang tatanungin ko mga ka-chicks? Ano ba sa palagay niyo yung kanyang performance dito sa ating sa reaction video? Anong masasabi niyo sa performance niya mga ka-chicks? Alright, comment below at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe mga ka-chicks. Sa Mix TV mga ka-chicks. Alright. Hanggang dito lang mga ka-chicks ng ating reaction video. Bye-bye.